everybody, this is the website boy again with another tutorial. This is number 21 and it's called drop down menu. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of those. And just to let you know, we are one video away from the advanced Bootstrap course that I'm going to make for you guys. So keep that in mind. All right, for those of you that don't know how to navigate, this is how you do it. If you haven't subscribed to my courses, I don't know what you're waiting for. You need to do it right now so that way you can get an automatic email every time I upload one of my courses. For those of you that want to do everything like me, no problem. Sublime Text is the man in code editor, and Emmet the plugin is the other man in that section there. So for those of you that for some reason cannot install Sublime Text or don't have the ability to pay for it after the 30 days, because they offer a free 30-day trial, Notepad++ is free for Windows, and Text Wrangler is free for Mac users out there, right? If you see this thumbs up out there, don't forget about me, okay? If you like the videos, hit me up, click one of those, and make me happy, all right? For those of you that want to download the exercise files for the specific video that you're watching, go to the websiteboy.com/snippets, and I have the download file there for you. You can download a single file, or you can download the whole course, all right? Those of you that like my videos, thank you so much. You don't know how much I really appreciate what you do. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And let's go ahead and let me show you how to do some drop down menus with Bootstrap. Let's go ahead and open up our Bootstrap folder. Inside this Bootstrap folder, we're going to find a file called drop down menu. All right, go ahead and open that up. If you don't have that, go to the description of this video, click on the link to go to my website and download it. All right, we're going to open this up, and I just want to show you what I got here. All right, I just made a navigation bar here, and we're going to create a drop down menu right here on this about link. All right now you're clicking and nothing happening. We want it when we click to open up a sub menu. All right, I just wanted to show you that. Let me just minimize this a little bit. We are going to open up your code editor. All right, let me just go to mine in the other monitor and open it up. All right, so it's open here. The reason why my screens are always so big is because I have a huge monitor, and I adjust the resolution so you guys can see these in mobile devices too. So anyways, drag the drop down menu, the HTML, into the code editor, and here let's put this one here so you can see it. Here we go. Here we are going to be adding a right here. This is your navigation code right here, this whole thing, and this is the about link right here. So what we want to do is we want to insert a sub menu here. And the way, if for those of you that don't know how to do a sub menu, I'm going to show you right now. For those of you that know, you can just wait for me to do the drop down magic, right? So anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. Open this list item in the about link. Open it up right there. So you got the closing and you got the opening right here. Inside this list item, that's where we are going to be placing the ordered list. All right, and it's gonna have two items, and with link, two list items with links. All right, so, and then I'm just gonna put some pound signs in there. If I was too fast for you, make sure that you just pause the video and get this done. All right, so once we have that, we're gonna save it. We're gonna come back to it, refresh it. Now we have these links here, but the problem is that they're showing. We don't want to show it to people unless we click it, right? So let's go back to it, and let's actually put a class here called drop down menu. And when we go back to it and we refresh, it's gone. Now we hide this away. Now when we click it, nothing happens because we haven't added JavaScript yet. All right, so the next thing we got to do is we got to go to the list item, which is the parent of this element here, and we have to kind of add, actually not kind of, add, we have to add another class. All right, and this class is going to be called drop down, and this is just for some just for the looks, you know. All right, so now that we do that, we need to go ahead and open this up. All right, and we need to go ahead and add another an attribute right here called data toggle. All right, and then in this side is data toggle. We got to actually write this property called drop down. We save it, then we refresh here and we click it, and now we have a drop down. But I'm not finished here, so don't go anywhere, right? So when I click it, you see the menu. Great, we got a menu now. But let's say I'm a user here and I go and see this menu. I don't know that I have to click anywhere here. How do I know I have to, that there is the drop down menu here? I don't know, right? So we need to let the user know that something is here on this link, that when we click it, something's gonna come down. So the best way to do this is actually using one of the glyphicons that I kind of show you about in the glyphicon um, tutorials. So let's actually put a span tag right after the about. Right here, you see that the link is, I don't know if you see it right here. Right here after this about link word text, we're gonna actually put a spam with the opening and closing spam, and then we put a class in between, in the inside, called carrot. All right, that's all we got to do. And then let me show you how that looks. Let's refresh it, and now we have a little carrot, a little arrow pointing down. Now the user knows that they have to kind of click, they have to click here. I got to stop saying kind of. I don't know what's going on with me today, guys. But anyway, if you click it, now you have a sub menu. So that is great. Now you see, with this data toggle, we add JavaScript. Actually, JavaScript is already inside here, which is actually jQuery. So Bootstrap ships with jQuery. So we can actually use HTML5 to add, like this, the attribute here is HTML5. We can use HTML5 to add JavaScript through Bootstrap. So really cool stuff anyways. So anyway, guys, we are one video away from going to the advanced. All right, so after the next video, we're gonna go to the advanced Bootstrap, and we're gonna be learning some really cool stuff with PHP and Bootstrap. All right, so like the video if you like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, comment. Thank you so much for being such a supportive person, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.